Hi, it's Glenn here from Wrexham Volkswagen. Thank you very much for viewing my video of the Polo 1 litre 80 PS match we have in stock. I'll just go around the vehicle now for you. So finished in the beautiful Reflex Silver with front and rear parking sensors as standard. The optional extras on this car obviously is the metallic paint, which is silver, and obviously the 16-inch Minas alloys. Rear tinted windows also as standard. Remote central locking as well. Inside the car you do have the electric heated door mirrors with electric windows, automatic lights, and you see this car obviously is a brand new unregistered car, so it's only done 9 miles. It does have the cruise control, obviously Bluetooth as well, air conditioning, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. Have the black interior. As you can see, rear parking sensors, and it is the facelift model as well, so you do get the new Volkswagen badge with the Polo emblem just underneath the badge there. Very spacious boot in the Polo. I'll forward this through to you. I'll say if you do have any questions or any queries, please give me a call. My name's Glenn. You can get me on 01978 340 600. But in the meantime, hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.